Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show one of the most famous traps known as Kai Ninja trap, which is played on the famous Budapest Gambit. So let's start the video. But before, please press the thumbs up button and like this video. The trap starts with d4, knight f6, c4, e5, Budapest Gambit, and afterwards d captures e5. He will capture the pawn because he is getting the pawn in the opening. After which knight g4, and he will save the pawn with knight f3. After which you will play knight c6. You will attack the pawn with two pieces. After which he will play bishop f4 saving the pawn and bishop b4 check, and he will play knight bd2 because if he play knight to c3, then after bishop captures c3 and b captures c3, as you can see the pawn structure is very ugly. So after knight bd2, just queen e7, you will attack the pawn with three pieces, and if he plays a3 trying to trap your bishop by like this, but then you will just surprise him by playing knight captures on e5, because if he captures the bishop, then just knight d3 is a checkmate because the e2 pawn is pinned. So if in this position he had seen that the checkmate is there and he captures the knight, then you just capture his knight, and after these exchanges you will see that the position is almost equal and it is a very good game for both the sides. But in this position I will show you one more trap. In this position you can play this. Here e captures d6 and bishop captures d6, and as you can see the knight on g4 is a very deadly knight, so he will play h3, and after which you will play knight captures on f2. He is forced to take your knight with the king because he is forking the both rook and the queen. So after king captures, just bishop g3 is very deadly move, because if he will take your bishop, then you will just grab his queen and he cannot go back to save his queen, so he will win the game. Here I will show you one more trap in this gambit. If he plays something like this, then you will just play bishop c5, and as you can see he will pin your knight by playing bishop g5, but then you will play a very crushing move, that is knight e4, because if he just capture the queen, then you will just checkmate him by bishop captures on f2. So he will not capture your queen, but as you can see he have to save the checkmate and also your bishop, so he will play bishop to e3, and after which you will just capture the e3 bishop, and after this you will play queen h4 check, and after this g3 move you will just capture the g3 pawn. He cannot capture the knight because his rook will be hanging, so he will play something like knight f3 kicking out the queen, but then you will play just queen h6, and now also the pin is there, so he will move the rook, and after which you will capture the bishop, and after this, as you can see, your e5 pawn is also supported by the queen and you are 2 pawn up, so this game is almost winning for you. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Chess Knowledge. Thank you.